You okay? You all right? I hope that's not your laugh.
So funny.
You laugh like a chimney or something. I don't even...
My last wish is a comedy show. Preacher Laws.
We got you. We'll make sure we'll put you in the front row.
Thank you. Yeah, to the left of him, preferably. I just want to laugh. So funny.
I just made this whole thing up in my head. I got asthma. That joke reminds me every time. No, that was cool, man. But my life is really cool, man. Hey, what y'all not whispering about? You know you can't whisper. We did a whole joke about you not whispering. Were you translating the joke for him or something? So stupid. All right. What are y'all talking about, though? They're not laughing anymore.
What's up, y'all? It's Preacher Lawson. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed already, what you doing?